Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you like what we're doing, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today we're back working on the round baler to rebaler project. We just hooked it back up to the tractor, opening the back gate up so we can get all the chains and stuff off of it. Come along and check it out with us today. Alright, we got it. Time I step out the building, that wind is ripping, y'all. I apologize for the wind, ain't nothing I can do. We took the chain apart. We got it opened up. Now we can take all the springs and everything off of the hatch, because the hatch is coming completely off after we get the chains pulled out of it. Let's pull these chains and get them on out. I do like these locks on here, y'all. I like that style of lock better than the locks that's on my newer balers. Can't believe it won't roll. I think I got it too crowded up at the front. Lord, I don't want to get up in there. If that baby starts going, whew, when it goes, it's gonna go, y'all. When it frees up, y'all, once it gets where the momentum is gonna bring it down, now it's caught up there good now, y'all. We've got all the top chain off of it, and we've got 30 foot of chain there to use to make our conveyor table. So we could probably make it up to 13 foot length if we wanted it that long. I don't think I want it quite that long. I think I'm wanting it around 10 foot or so. Alright everybody, we're making pretty good progress today. We've got the back gate off. Y'all saw that. We got the big chain all the way out. But we're making headway. I can't, if I carry my phone out the building out there, The wind's blowing so hard. You see the trees shaking. If I try to record out there with the phone, other than time lapse or something with no sound, then it's so terrible you can't use it. So I'm just gonna keep letting y'all know what's going on. You ready to pull that shaft out, buddy?
Yeah.
Be right back. You need me to hold it?